In this video, I will be showing you how to distribute a fraction. Distributing a fraction, all you need to do is multiply the top, then divide the bottom. So let's begin. Here, the top, we have -1, multiply with 6, which is -6, divided by 2, that's -3. Then bring down the m. And then we will multiply this, -1 times 2, which is -2, divide by 2, that's -1. For this example, we have 3 times 12, which is going to be 36. 36 divided by 4 is going to be 9m. Another way you can do it is you can divide first, because I see that 12 can divide by 4, so 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then multiply with the 3 on top is still positive 9. So either way, you will get the same answer. And then here we have 3 multiplied with -8, which is -24, divided by 4, -6. For this example, we do not have a coefficient in front of the x. So when we multiply, all we have is 1/3 times x is just going to be 1/3 x. Then here, 1 times -6 is -6, divided by 3 is -2. For this example, we will first distribute the 1/4. You see this -5 is not being multiplied to the parentheses, so we will leave that alone until later. So 1 times 4 is 4, divide that by 4 is going to be 1p, or just p by itself, and then 1 times -16 is -16, divide that by 4 is going to be -4. And now this -5, we just copy it down, -5 plus, let me write that more like a 5, -5 plus p minus 4. And then, combining like terms, we have p by itself, -5 plus minus 4 is -9. For this example, what is being multiplied to the parentheses is this -1/2. So -1 multiplied with 8 is -8, divided by 2 is 4. So that will be 4c, -4c. And so when there's a negative sign, you can think of the negative sign goes with the number on the top. Okay? And then, -1 times 2 is -2, divided by 2, that's -1. Bring down this 3, and then combining like terms, we have -4c, that's by itself. And then for the constants, 3, take away 1, is positive 2. For this example, what is being multiplied to the parentheses is this -7/2. So, -7 times 6 is -42. Divide that by 2 is going to be -21n. And then, -7 times -4 is going to be positive 28. Divide that by 2 is going to be positive 14. Then copy down the +1. And then combining like terms, we have -21n. And 14 plus 1 is going to be 15. For this example, what is being multiplied to the parentheses is the 5/7. So we'll multiply. So 5 times 7 is 35. Divide that by 7 is going to be 5. Y. And then this multiplied by this. So I can do 5 times -21, which will give you -105, but that's a big number. So I'm going to first divide it. I can do -21 divided by 7, which is -3. Multiply that with 5. It's going to be -15. So sometimes when you multiply, you get a huge number. You can try dividing first. And then bring down the -9y. And now combining like terms, this 5y can go with the -9y. So 5 minus 9 is going to be -4y. And this -15 is by itself.